Which of the following is a device that reduces or inhibits electrostatic discharge? A. Dynamic device. B. Static device. C. Anti-static device. D. Anti-dynamic device. The correct answer is anti-static device. Anti-static materials are also known as materials. A. Low charging. B. High charging. C. Null charging. D. Dash charging. The correct answer is low charging. Which of the following is used for the neutralization of static charges in a larger area? A. Photoemission. B. Antistatic agents. C. Electrical grounding. D. Static agents. The correct answer is photoemission. Dissipative bags are usually in color. A. Yellow. B. Pink. C. Purple. D. Blue. The correct answer is pink. Which of the following is a material that attenuates current and electrical fields? A. Anti-static. B. Conductive. C. Shielding. D. Dissipative. The correct answer is shielding. Which of the following is an alternate to photoemission? A. Shielding. B. Proton emission. C. Corona discharge. D. Electrical grounding. The correct answer is shielding. An ionizing bar is sometimes referred to as A. Anti-dynamic bar. B. Antistatic bar. C. Dynamic bar. D. Static bar. The correct answer is static bar. Dissipative materials have an electrical resistance between 1K and 1T. A. False. B. True. C. D. The correct answer is false. Human beings have natural electrical sources running through the body. A. False. B. True. C. D. The correct answer is true.